Hello class. This presentation will give you the opportunity on showing you how to upload your video and how to add closed captions to your video. On this first slide, as you can see, we're going to go into the YouTube sign in page. Once we are on this page, we are going to select the sign in. After we have selected the sign in icon, this is the next page that you should be in. Now remember class, in order to sign in, we are going to use our generic email class, sign in and password, username and password, the one that you've written in your notebooks in the classroom. After you have done that, then go ahead and select to sign in. After you have signed in, you should be on this next page. Where you see upload, please select upload. Once you have selected upload, this is the page that you should be in. If you notice, there is a little window that says public. Please select public to change it to private. As you can see, once you open the window where it says public, you have three different options. It says public, unlisted, and private. You want to select the private option. After you have selected the private option, now you're ready to select the files to upload to your YouTube account. Please select where it says select files to upload. Once you have selected your files to upload, a window will open. Then you will look for your video where you have saved it in your computer. For instance, my video, in this case, was saved in the desktop. So I selected my video. Once you have looked and selected for your video, the open icon will become active. Please select open. Now that you have selected open, if you see on this next slide, your video is now processing to be uploaded to your web YouTube account. Now that the video is uploading, now we can go ahead and change the private settings. Please select private in the private settings. We can also change the category settings. In this case, we're going to open up the category settings and we're going to select education. As you can see, the education prompt is available. So in this case, I want you to select the education. At this point, you can see that the upload of your video is complete. When you see the hyperlink pointed out by the arrow and the thumbnails, the video thumbnails down at the bottom, this means that your video has been completed, uploaded. After the video has been uploaded, now we're going to select the video manager icon. Select the video manager. After we have selected the video manager, this is the page that you should be in. If you notice, the video will show and there is a little window that says edit. Please open that window and select captions. Once you have selected captions on the slide, on the previous slide, this is the next page that you should be on. Please select the big captions icon. On this next slide, please select add captions. After selecting Add Captions, this is the next page that you should be on YouTube. There is a hyperlink that says Track List. Please select Track List. After selecting Track List, on the next page, such as this one, I want you to select where it says English. On this web page of YouTube, you have a few things here. First, you have the video, which you can play, and next to the video on the right hand side, you have the narration. In other words, what you are saying in the video will appear on this side. Now, what we need to do is to make sure that what you are saying in the video is exactly the same on the narration. If it is, then you can select the Save Copy icon. If not, then we can edit the narration. For example, in my video, I start off by saying, "Hello class," but if you see on the right hand side, the narration starts by saying, "Okay class." So what I've done is I went and click on OK class and I changed it to say hello class. You can edit, and then after you edit your narration, you can go ahead and click on Save a Copy. Your narration will be then saved and synchronized with your video. Once you have saved your narration, then on this page you can go ahead and play your video again to see how it shows. Make sure that the video is synchronized with what you are saying with the closed captions. Congratulations, now you have completed uploading your video and adding closed captions to your video. Thank you. I will see you in class.